No separation of personal and business money. Anak, if your business money is also your money for groceries, bills, and tuition, nako, wala kang negosyo. What you have is an extended ATM machine. Si Naval at saka si Gemma, ganyan din. All their income, they put in one wallet. Then when they need something at home, they take from there. When the supplier needs payment, they pay from there. And when there's tuition that they have to pay, doon pa rin kinukuha. Kaya they felt it was okay kasi the money rotates naman. Besides, pera naman nila yon, di ba? Nako, paano na ang business money? Pero yun nga, it only rotates, it does not grow. Kaya one time they needed to restock, pero kulang na yung pera nila. Saan napunta? Well, they did not know. Kasi everything was mixed already, di ba? And that's when they realized they were spending business money on personal needs without even knowing. Kaya ang lesson ay ito, you need separate accounts, anak. Or at least separate envelopes if you don't have a bank account yet. Simple lang naman. Business funds is for inventory, operations, at saka reinvestments. Tapos personal funds is your salary. Get the salary as an owner from which you will get for your personal spending. Kasi when these things get mixed, you won't know if you're earning or just using up your capital. You will feel busy, pero you will stay broke. I'm sure you don't want that. So this week, decide how much is your salary. Move it to your personal envelope. What's left in the business? That's the only money you can use for operations. Kaya see if your money lasts. That is your baseline. Kaya galing doon ang paggawa ninyo ng adjustments sa inyong mga desisyon. Hindi hula-hula lang but based on data. Okay? Kaya let's be business-minded, Pinoy.